Good morning, students. I welcome you all to the fifth session of English. We started with the concept of articles. Articles are type of determiners. We have seen these details yesterday. Articles are divided into two types, definite article and indefinite article. We saw in detail about the uses of a and an, how these articles are used in the sentences, what are the rules for that and what are the exemptions. Today we are going to focus on the as a definite article. Now the is a definite article as it points out some particular person or thing. That is, if I am talking about a particular thing, I use the. If I want to talk about a child always speaks. A child is naughty. This is a general statement, but this is the child who is very naughty. So here I am specifying or particularly talking about a child. So at that point I am going to use the article the. Now let us see into the details where we can use articles. Now this article the is used before a particular person or thing. This we have already seen. The students of this class are very punctual. Did Geeta get the job she applied for? That is a particular job for which she had applied. Did she get it? So we are specifically talking about that job. So here we are using it, the job. Next sentence, children. This is the boy I met yesterday. I met a boy yesterday is a general statement. But if I want to pinpoint that boy, then I can say this is the boy I met yesterday. Let us go to the park. Now it is also used to denote a whole class or kind. As for example, now it may be a type of a animal, it may be a category of people, it may be any specific class, like the dog is a faithful animal. Now here I am talking about the animal and its features and its qualities. So here the dog is a faithful animal. I am not talking about a particular dog, but a whole class of dog. We say no, the dogs are very faithful, they are very caring, and they get involved in our families very easily. So here I can say that the dog is a faithful animal. The horse run fast. It's not a general statement that this is the horse only which runs fast, but the horse, not generally the horse run fast. The tiger is young. It is used before common noun, which are names of things unique of their kind. Now there are certain things. How many suns we have? How many moon earth has? It's a particular only one thing. So when I am talking about all universally, which are only one among them, which are most single and most unique one, like the sun rises in the east, in the sky, the earth moves around the sun. So there is one earth and which is moving around the sun. So both are unique here. The moon is round today. The world is beautiful. So here I am talking about a unique kind of its own. It is used before the names of directions, the dates of months. Like for example, the sun rises in the east. So east is the direction I am talking about. So I am using the over here. The sun sets in the west. I joined my job on the 10th of November. So a particular date I am pinpointing. So I am using the article before it. Now it is also used before the superlative degrees of an adjectives. Okay, adjectives and adverbs have 3 degrees. That is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So whenever we are using superlative degrees like good, better, best. So here best is an superlative degree, good is an positive degree, better is an comparative degree. So here I am comparing. Superlative is among all, it's the best one. So when I am talking about a superlative degree or using a superlative degrees, then I will be using the. Raman is the best boy in the class. So among all the students in the class, Raman is the best boy. Uttar Pradesh is the most populated state of India. So it is the most, maximum population is there over there. So the most. So when I compare the Uttar Pradesh state with all other states in our country, there I can say that Uttar Pradesh is most populated state of India. Next, it is used before the names of oceans, rivers, gulfs, seas, mountain ranges and groups of islands. Here we are specifically talking about proper nouns over here. Patna is situated on the banks of the Ganga. The Indian Ocean is lying to the south of India. The Andamans lie in the east of India. The Persian Gulf countries have become wealthy. The Bay of Bengal lies in the east. So all these are name of the oceans, rivers, mountain ranges or groups of islands. So here I must use the article the. Now it is used before the names of races or nations like Indians, English, Muslims, Brahmins, Hindus. So wherever we talk about a race or a particular nation, Americans, the Americans we use. So see the examples. The Indians are found in almost all the countries. The English exploited the Indians. So here English we are talking about a people belonging to England. People who belong there, they are known as English. The English exploited whom? The Indians. The Muslims keep fast during the Ramzan. Holi is a festival of the Hindus. So Hindus, Indians, Muslims, English, these are all races and nations. So if you think Muslims and Hindus, it is a race. Indians and English, it is an nations. Now it is used before the names of newspapers, religious books, famous buildings, ships and historical events. Now you might have seen the newspapers at home. Many times English newspapers come. So if you see the Times of India, the Hindus, the Economic Times, you might have seen the titles. So newspaper titles normally begin with the, because we are specifically giving a name to it. So I read the Times of India daily. The Ramayana, it's an holy book, is the holy book of the Hindus. The Taj is famous for its beauty. The Titanic met its tragic death. So what it is, when we talk about newspapers, religious books, famous buildings, ships, Titanic is a ship, historical events which took place in the past, we talk about them by using the article. So when we have to add those words, before that which article should be used? It should be only the article. Next, it is based before proper nouns, material nouns and abstract nouns to make them common nouns. So to make them common noun, we use the before it. Okay, like Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. So what I am talking about is Kalidas. Kalidas is a writer, Indian writer. But he is what? He is equivalent to the dignity or famous similar to Shakespeare. So Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. He is the Tagore of Hindi poetry. The water of this well is fresh. So these are the gold of this ring is pure. So it's an material noun. Water, material again. Hindi poetry, we are talking about something unique things. So it is also used before the musical instruments. Like you might have seen, you are playing different musical instruments in the school as well, isn't it? Violin, harmonium you might have seen, tabla you might have seen. I think your another thing you are using is piano. You all are learning, very good. So Rahman plays the harmonium. So what is the instrument? Harmonium, and we are going to use the before it. Richa plays the violin. So Richa plays violin will be wrong. So you have to say Richa plays the violin. It is used before the inventions. Inventions, things are invented. Different things are invented by different people. So when I am talking about particular invention by a particular person, then I say the telephone. What is invented? The telephone is very useful. Who invented the radio? So particular thing I am talking. Understood, children? So here I am particularizing. I am not talking general things. I am talking about a particular thing. So I am using the article. Now it is used before the parts of body. He got injured in the head. Which part of the body is injured? I need to specify, isn't it? He got injured. Okay, fine. But where? So he got injured in the head. The rod hit him in the back. So we are going to, what did he hit? The rod. So here again the rod is also specific. And where did it hit? In the back. So it is used before the political parties. You might have heard many times Bhajapa is there. Then you say BJP, you say Congress, many parties are there. So when we have to talk about a particular party's name, I need to use an article the, because I am talking about a specific party. So the Congress party, the Communist party. Understood, children? Use of the. Once you go through all the rules, it will be very easy to remember. Rather, it sounds too many rules, but they are essential to be remembered so that you never go wrong in using the articles. Now let us begin with the exercises. I hope you all understood, and it will be very easy for you all to solve the exercises. So I'll give you a minute. You can go through it, read the sentences, and then we'll begin with the discussion of solving it. Fine, children? I'll wait for a minute. I hope you all are reading it loud and try to find out the answers, and we'll then start with the discussion. Okay, I hope everybody has gone through the, you may not have read all, but at least you have understood that these are the exercises or sentences wherein you have to fill in the articles a, an, or the. Fine. The first sentence, we enjoyed our holiday. Dash hotel was very nice. So am I talking about any particular place here? I'm talking about a place where I lived. So we enjoyed our holiday. The hotel was very nice. So here the article the will be used. Can I ask a question? You look very tired. You need to. Yes, what will be the answer, children? You need. You need a holiday. Where is Om? He is in the bathroom. So he is specifically in the bathroom. Rita is an interesting person. You must meet her. Excuse me. Can you tell me how to get to the center? Yes, go straight on and then take the next turn. Remember, children, the direction when you are talking, you have to use the. Shall we go out for a meal this evening? Yes, that is a good idea. It is a nice morning. Let us go for a walk. Next exercise, children. Shushma is a student. When she finishes her studies, she wants to become a journalist. Shushma lives with two friends in a flat near the college where she is studying. The flat is small but likes it. Rakesh and Reena have got two children, a boy and a girl. The boy is 10 years old and the girl is 3. Mohan works in a factory. Meeta has not got a job at the moment. Man and the woman were sitting opposite me. Man and a woman were sitting opposite me. A man was American, but I think the woman was British. Resolve all the exercises again, go through them, read the rules, write all these exercises in 100 pages book, which you can make by using your older 200 pages notebooks which have empty pages. You can convert them into the book wherein you can write different things which we are solving. I hope all the children are writing the exercises. I will be also sending you 2 important exercises tomorrow which you need to copy and solve it on your own by applying the rules. It would be better if you could write down only the rules on any one page and stick it near your table wherever you sit and study. So you can go through them and you can revise a number of times so that At least specifically for the rules of the, you need not mug up. If you go through it twice a day or once a day at least, you can remember it for a longer period. Okay. Now another important thing I would like to tell you all, to make a book or your own dictionary. Now how to make a dictionary is, take 100 pages book or any book which is available with you currently, and every day whatever subject you are learning through the videos, you might be coming or going through some new words. So whenever you find any new word in new learning process, that you should jot down, find out its meaning, and that should go into your own dictionary. So end of the year you will find you will have your own dictionary which you have created for yourself. So that will be very unique experience for you, and that will also give you fun around, so that you can create your own dictionaries, create your new words. And when you go through the dictionaries to find the meanings, it should be you who is going to do that work. Though you may take the guidelines from your parents, but you yourself have to find the meanings, so that when you go through the words, you see other words also, and when you find it on your own, you remember it for a longer period, or rather you remember it for permanently. So hence whatever task is given, try to do it on your own. So this will help you to learn, because English is a language which cannot be by hearted. You should be able to express using the languages. Yes, when you talk in your mother tongue, you need not search for the words. You never pause also when you talk. But when you start speaking in any third language, any different language, which we are not using it on day-to-day basis, you find sometimes it is difficult. So best way is to increase your vocabulary. So vocabulary can be increased through fun games also. So one small game we can play, or you all at home when you are staying together, not allowed to go out, this will be the best time pass. You have to choose any 5 words, okay, and write it on the top line of your notebook. Make 5 columns, okay. Now when you are taking session as a first word, what is the last word alphabet? Last letter is N. So from N you have to write negligent, okay. When you write T is the last word, like the way you play Antakshari, like that you have to play this activity. Now after playing this, what you have to make it sure, when you complete the first line, the words which are used in the first sentence, when you start playing snake tail for the second row, should not be repeated. Okay. Another rule is, you cannot use 2-letter words, 3-letter words and 4-letter words, and nouns cannot be used. So if you start playing with this game, you will find gradually you have to look in for the new words. So this will help you to increase the number of words you need on day-to-day basis to play the game. Okay. If you have any doubts, I will clear your doubts through the pics which I will be sending you all tomorrow about this activity. Thank you and have a nice day, children.